Hi everyone, welcome to this video. I know that you watching this video because my caption is I will give you guarantee that your channel will be monetized within one day. It might be thinking it's not true, but you're just watching, right? Just let's watch till the end. I will give you guarantee that I will make sure that your channel will be monetized within one day. I will guide you, but all the efforts will be yours. How do you do that? How do you increase your viewers, how to increase your subscribers, and then your channel will be monetized if you fulfill the condition is 1000 subscriber and 4000 hours you need to be increased, right? So that I will make sure that do in one day. Why I'm telling, you might be thinking that because I know that might be hundreds of subscribers, maybe once 100 of YouTubers, maybe one YouTuber success, or maybe thousands of YouTubers, maybe one or two YouTubers will success. The reason is they are following the guidelines. And I also saw the many videos, many content in YouTube. People are just recording and sharing that, and they're telling that you will get the more subscriber views. But if you follow that, when people are also following it, I know that. And even though if you are watching, you might be follow something like this, and you might be upload 2 3 videos, and then just after not getting the viewers and subscribers, then definitely you close the channel, right? But this video will be giving you like anything, like the content which I made for you is definitely valuable. Just watch till the end. If you think that it is not a valuable, that's fine. If you really think that it's a good content, do not forget to subscribe my channel and give some good comments to me, because that comments will give encourage me to create more content for you and bring this kind of content for you, which will be a very benefit for you, right? So do not forget that. Okay, I will tell you, you might have 2 subscriber or 2000 subscribers, that doesn't matter me. I will, if your channel is not monetized, you just follow this video, that's it, nothing you need to do. Just follow this video, and it will be not like a rocket science, or it will be not like a very hard, you cannot do this. Very simple steps, 2 3 steps that you need to follow. If you follow that, means you will get that. And I will prove you, and I will show you in front of you to getting some subscriber easily. That's what, if I can do it, you can do it. That's what, there is no rocket science to do that. And but you need to follow this video completely. Okay, so let's begin without delay anything. Okay. Okay, now the subscription. How to increase the subscription? How to do 1000 subs, subscription in one day? I will make proof here. I will show you the proof how you do that. Okay, it's not a like a false commitment. If in the beginning of the video I told you that it is possible to monetize your channel in the one day, means one day, that's possible. Even though if you put your more effort, and then definitely you can do your channel monetize within one day. That's for sure. Okay, now without delay, I will tell you what you needs to do. Am I telling you any legal way? No, right? YouTuber asking you share, comment, right? Share your video to fans, circles, other social media platform, and get the viewers, content, subscription, whatever, right? So we will do same thing only. Okay, but for that, what I need to do? First, you in your mobile, it is not necessary that you will have, you need desktop or laptop. If you have mobile also, just open the Telegram channel. Okay, might be you have, and I also here Telegram channel, right? So what you will do, you just do here sub for sub. So you see that the many channels are there, sub for sub. You just just look at that, how many members are there, like here, right? YouTube promotion, right? A channel, you just join those channels, just join it. Okay, I join here. I have 4 5 channels I have joined it. They need actually subscription, and you also, I mean they also need subscription from you, and you need subscription, right? So that doesn't matter, like if you are helping, they are helping, means you need to help them, right? So I mean, there is a no disadvertisement that you, if you subscribe the channel, means it will something bad for you, right? And it will, nothing goes wrong with you, right? So in that case, they are helping you, you should helping. So this is kind of helping hand. So no worries on that part, because this is what the platform where you can get the 1000 subscriber within one day. Not only one day, within 1 hour also you can fulfill. That I will show you and prove it here. Okay. Now I will tell you what you do. Okay, let's go here. Any group. Okay, based on the members you can check it. Like for here, I'm just messaging someone here, like here SR. Okay, no, he already done for me. Let me go down. Okay, let me ping this guy. Okay, hi. Okay, I will go to my channel. This is my channel. I will copy my channel's URL and I will paste it here. Ask him to subscribe. Please subscribe my channel. See, I'm just pinging. He just pinged me. Okay, he's asking also to subscribe his channel. So what I will do, I will copy this. Okay, I will open YouTube, his YouTube channel, and I will subscribe it. Okay, and take the screenshot. It is necessary that you need to take the screenshot and send it to him. Okay, and he will also see. I send the see immediately. He also subscribed my channel. Okay, okay, ask him please subscribe my channel. He will do it. No, but meanwhile we can ping some other guys here, right? We can ping here. Go to channel here URL. Ping, please subscribe. Okay, ping some other guys here. Okay, this guy. Please subscribe. Start reaching. Okay, no problem. Go this one. Okay, okay. This guy already subscribed for me. I asked some other guys to do it. Okay, this guy. Okay. Please subscribe. Okay. Here also we can ask someone. Okay. Please subscribe. See, here this guy ping right. Get the subscribe. Okay, let me first subscribe his channel and then she will subscribe my channel. So what I will do, I will go here. I will subscribe his channel and share the screenshot. Now I will ping here. Done. See, yeah. Ping this guy. So sorry, not this one. The channel. This is very interesting and easy way to get the more subscribers. Okay. Ping many people here. Here, you go here. Go to your YouTube channel. Ping him. Just look at how I'm increasing the subscriber now in my channel. So this way you can do that. Okay. Yes. You're getting a reply. He's asking to subscribe his channel. Do it. I'm opening his channel here. he also say subscribed, right? He wants to, I also need to subscribe his channel. So open this one, the channel, and you also need to be subscribed. I'm not logged in here, so the browser I need to go here. I'll be subscribed. Okay, let's subscribe. And I need to just send a screenshot. That's it. Okay, this guy is subscribed, right? Done. Okay. See, he also subscribed. See, I'm getting it is very easy actually. If you're having your family member, 2 3 members are there, you just open the YouTube channel, sorry, a Telegram channel, and ask them do that. Just in within 1 hour, you can do that. If you're able to ping at least 1,200 people, 1,000 subscribers, you will get it. That is for sure, because those people are part of this group. They also need the subscription actually. But uh, please remember that do not give money to anybody if they are telling that I will give 1,000 subscribers. So don't do that. Why? If you do this in your way, why should you giving money to others, right? This is the best way I'm showing you can monetize your channel, not only in the one day but also within the 1 hour. You can do it. You can achieve the 1,000 subscriber. Isn't it? Isn't it really good? Okay, so I believe that this content will be very good for you. So now we can put the comment on my comment on this comment section that if you really find that this is very benefit for you, you can put some good comment here. Okay, now the important thing is viewers. How to increase your the viewers? To increase the viewers, the one thing that you cannot view your videos on your laptop or in the mobile itself, right? So what you will do, we will use the VPN. So for that, you go to the mobile store. Okay, or here you just select this one. See, 10 lakhs is download, right? India VPN. So VPN India, this one you need to do, because there are many VPNs are there. Here you don't need to go this, you go this one only. Okay, this one only need to go. Okay, please remember 10 lakhs has already been downloaded. You just install there. Okay, and once you install, right, it will like come, see, if you see, right, different locations are the India and other countries also it will show you, like here, right? If you come, right, it will other countries are just click those thing and connect it. Once this connect, right, what you will do next? So what, why I'm telling this need to be connect, because once you connect this VPN, your IP will be changed actually. So because you cannot view more videos on your mobile only, right? That's not a good thing, right? So in that way, this you need to connect like in Hyderabad or in Mumbai or Bangalore or Bangkok or US, Canada, all options will become here. Okay, you just connect and click. That's within just second it will connect the VPN, and then what you will do actually, you come here, browser, and type the view sync. What? View sync. Okay, this is the tool. Okay, once you click this, right, it will show something like this. Okay, it will show something like this, but I'm telling one thing actually, this is not possible in mobile data because it's need more data, because to multiple sessions will be run, right? So in that case, if you have a Wi-Fi, good Wi-Fi, then it will be very good. Okay, you can achieve within an hours. Okay, if many of family members will start working, right, within hours only you can complete the 4,000 hours of watching, right? But for that, what I tell the condition, at least 3 video, minimum 10 to 15 minutes video length you should upload. Okay, what you will do actually, now I will show you. This is my channel, right? So I have created these videos, technical videos or something like this. What I will do, okay, so I will copy this URL. Okay, what I will do, after connecting the VPN, remember, once you connect the VPN, you just click here like this way. You just need the URL, need the add the URL here, like as much as you want, but depends upon your network bandwidth. If you have many, if you have good bandwidth, your Wi-Fi, then it will be very good. That's what I'm telling. This will be can be done in the good data, good Wi-Fi. If you have in mobile data, I mean everything will be finished within an hour. Okay, so better to use Wi-Fi data and do it. I know that if you're nowadays everybody have a Wi-Fi, so no problem at all. So any as much as you want to do, you can do it. Okay, so I'm just closing, not much I'm doing for the testing, right? I'm saying just click here. After putting this one, if you are good Wi-Fi and good bandwidth is there, you could put hundreds also, not an issue, 100 times also. Think about it, 100 into 10 minutes, right? If 10 minutes mean 100 means what? Thousands. Into 100, it's thousand, right? So 1,000 minutes you will see this video within 10 minutes only, right? So this is the interesting actually. Now test this one. Okay, no need to do anything here. Okay, here, copy, copy. Okay, now what I will do here, you just copy this one URL to other URL. Now you can close this one. Okay, what you will do actually, once this URL open with this URL, all the sessions will open in the single URL actually. Okay, so this is one motivational video is made by me. So I'm just click one button here telling the click each video to start buffering. Okay, just click it here, 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 click it, click it. You can reduce your sound. Okay, there. So once you started all right buffer, just click any video, so it will start actually. Okay, start all these things. So it started right all. This way it will run. Okay, I'm just closing this because it's getting the noise, right? So think about it. 100 times you put it means, so 10 minutes video, 100 or 15 minutes video, put it 100 100 URLs, put it in the single time in simultaneously. All the 100 videos will be run. Each have it 15 minutes or 10 minutes. If 10 minutes is 1,000 hours, right? 1,000 minutes. If 15 minutes, 1,000, 1,500 minutes. Just in 1 hour. Would you do you think? Don't you think that this will be an increase your viewers within one day? Don't you think that if 3 or 4 members is in their family, you just ask them to do it the same day? So you can achieve this and you can monetize your channel within one day. That's what the guarantee. Because beginning of the video I told you it will be going to be, I will make sure that your channel will be a monetized. That's what this the proof I showed you, and I done it, and I am getting good on it. So after once you monetize, right, so it will be easy actually to fly. But first, this achieve this first target at 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watchers. It's very difficult. So please give the good comment to me. So I will bring another video, another good video, good content for you the next time. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.